we are going to discuss some more uses of microorganisms. Commercial uses. First is yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. Yeast is added to grains such as barley, rice, wheat, and crushed fruits to produce beer and wine. Yeast converts this natural sugar into alcohol, and this process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. Second, some bacteria are used in the production of tea, coffee, and tobacco. Third is some bacteria take part in the production of certain acids like lactic acid, citric acid, and vinegar. Fourth is bacteria are useful for tanning of leather and jute industries. Fifth is bacteria also help in generating biogas. They act on waste products like animal waste, garbage, agricultural waste, and produce biogas. Biogas is used as a fuel. Cleaning the environment. Some microorganisms like bacteria and fungi decompose the organic matter present in dead plants, dead animals, and their waste, and convert them into simple products which mix up with the soil and are again used by new plants for their growth. In the absence of these microorganisms, the piles of dead organisms would have covered the earth. Some bacteria decompose sewage and other waste of water. This is the natural method to keep water clean. In this way, they help in keeping the environment clean. Increasing soil fertility. Some of the microorganisms present in the soil can fix nitrogen gas from the atmosphere to form nitrogen compounds. These nitrogen compounds mix with the soil and increase the fertility of soil. For example, some bacteria like Rhizobium and blue-green algae living in the soil also fix atmospheric nitrogen as nitrates. These microbes are commonly called as biological nitrogen fixers.